Hi guys, I'm Dr. Zainab Vora, and today I have with me Dr. Swati Jha, who's cleared the FMG exam this year with a score of 165. And we also have a very special guest who is Dr. Swati's son. So let's start with him first. We'll take his interview first and then we'll get to the mother. Hi,
Hi.
my name is Zainab. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
You're
I'm
fine?
fine.
You had gone to school?
Yes.
Now you have holidays? Yes, you have three holidays coming up. Are you excited? कल
Okay.
क्या है? कल इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, आपको पता है?
हाँ,
हाँ, और आपकी मम्मा को इंडिपेंडेंस मिल गया एग्जाम से। हाँ, मम्मा
हाँ,
को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करा?
हाँ,
डिड यू से आर यू प्राउड ऑफ मम्मा?
yes.
Amazing. Mama is also very proud of you. I am
Yeah.
also proud of you. He is wondering who is this lady, why is she proud of me? But I am
No,
also very proud of you.
ma'am, he used to watch you during lectures, and every time he used to say,
Yeah.
"माँ, कब बात करवाओगी? मुझे भी बात करना है."
ओह, मेरे पास भी आपकी जितना ही स्मॉल बेबी है। उसको भी मैं आपसे मिलाऊंगी, ठीक है? वन डे व्हेन यू कम विथ योर मम्मा देन आई विल कॉल माय डॉटर ज़ारा आल्सो, देन यू कैन प्ले। ठीक है?
Yes, he has seen her videos, and like many times he has seen her on Instagram.
Amazing. It's very sweet. So do bring him, next time to Vidya Jeevan when you come, and we would love to, meet him as well. So tell me, Swati, how has this whole
Sure, ma'am.
experience been for you? I'm sure it's not easy. As a mother myself, I know how much of a struggle it is to manage a child and then pick up your books. Even picking up books is a struggle, right? Because there is just no time to manage everything. So how have you done this impossible feat?
My baby. I won't tell lie. Like I don't know. It's a. I should say this truth to on this platform or not. But seriously, I was looking for the shortcuts.
Yeah.
Like in Gautam Nagar, like every here and there we get some like इतने पैसे दे दो मैं करवा दूंगा.
Yeah.
And I literally wasted my 3.5 year behind that.
Hmm.
Then I get to इससे काम नहीं चलने वाला है. I have to sit and have to do. Then
Yeah.
like I have started my journey and I haven't prepared much. And that time I did BTR offline.
Hmm.
I was very motivated, ma'am. I was literally like everything was like कि ये सब तो पढ़ा हुआ था during MBBS, and like that time I didn't scored much. It was 127 rank number.
Yeah.
And second time I was like motivated. Then my family supported me, like my parents, even my husband, and my friends, like everyone like have motivated me like anything, especially my junior Dr. Rishi. Like literally he has told me, ma'am aap mein potential hai, kar sakte ho, like I have seen you.
Hmm.
Then like my mother, she has been with me through all this, and my husband. And I have started studying. Last time I scored 145, and then it was like I was giving that PYQ session every night, no matter what.
Yeah.
Like I used to attend, even if I'm very sleepy. I
Yeah.
used to attend and very quickly used to revise exactly that time.
Yeah.
And later in morning, I used to see all the explanation. But in night this was like it was part of my daily routine that I have to do. If I won't able to do my PYQs, I feel like something is missing. And like that part
Yeah.
that was that addictive to me.
That's amazing.
And
I think late night PYQs have helped a lot of students. It gives you a sense of discipline and accountability that कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा फिर भी चलो 50 MCQs देख लिए उतना तो हो गया आज के दिन का. So I think that has helped a lot of students maintain that accountability on a daily basis. What I also want to know is कि आपने जब पढ़ाई शुरू करी आफ्टर अ बिग ब्रेक, ऑफ हैविंग अ चाइल्ड एंड एवरीथिंग, तो उस टाइम पे व्हाट वाज गोइंग थ्रू इन योर माइंड? वर थिंग्स कमिंग बैक टू? देयर मस्ट बी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक यू हु आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू स्टार्ट अगेन. तो जब आप रीस्टार्ट करते हो तब क्या फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड था, एंड व्हाट वर द स्ट्रगल्स एंड हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम देम?
Ma'am, first thing was like there was a bit generation kind of 4 year gap is not
It's
less gap.
Yeah,
Like it's a huge gap.
yeah,
Like countering my juniors and like all my batchmates, they are taking the sheets in like anesthesia, having radio, and looking at me like nowhere.
yeah.
And then, ma'am, I like everything has changed in 4 years. Like 4 year before, there was no cerebellum, there was no marrow. Like people used to study from that KV Kamal and like that way.
Mm.
But now things changed a lot. And ma'am, literally, I, ma'am, I can tell this thing that cerebellum is like it's like spoon feeding. Even uh, this much, not even pre-school child will get this much. Like we used to have lap 1, lap 2 marathon. Like it's like कि कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको बस अपना दिमाग ले करके उतने देर बैठ जाना है
Yes.
एंड PYQs कर लेना है. इट्स लाइक इतना अगर कोई कर ले देन इट्स मोर देन एनफ.
Yeah.
एंड
Mhm.
ma'am, also I want to tell कि offline BTR is very important. Not only like कि पढ़ाई के लिए and all. Yes, it's so conceptual and आपके वो fried egg वाले mnemonics and everything. But वहाँ पे जो मोटिवेशन है, जो रियल लाइफ थ्रिल है, जो रवि सर, अपूर्व सर जो बोलते हैं, जो आपने बोला था कि लाइक नो मैटर व्हाट, तुम जितना बुरा होना है ना, तुम्हारे साथ ही होगा और उस दिन ही होगा, फिर भी तुम्हें करना है. क्योंकि कहानी ये नहीं दोहराएगी कि तुम्हारे साथ ही क्यों हुआ, कहानी ये बोलेगी कि तुमने क्या किया.
Wow.
एंड देन मैम, during my exam I was freaking out. Like after paper 1 everyone was shouting कि बहुत अच्छा गया, बहुत अच्छा गया. And I was like, where I was in like literally I freaked out कि what if अगर इस बार नहीं हुआ, my family and if I won't get any support, I won't able to study. So I was freaking after first paper.
Yeah.
Yet I was like कि नहीं, I really, आपका वो वॉइस जो है ना, it has echoed me कि होगा, सब गलत होगा, फिर भी कर. एंड देन स्क्रीन पे ना मैम MCQ करते वक्त आई यूज टू लुक एट द ऑप्शंस. फिर मुझे उस ऑप्शंस के वो स्ट्राइकिंग वर्ड्स में ढूंढ रही थी कि ऐसा क्या वर्ड से, ऐसा क्या क्लू है जो इस ऑप्शन से रिलेट करता है. एंड उतने में मैं, इवन इफ आई वाज लाइक वेरी टेंस्ड एंड फ्रिकिंग आउट, फिर भी आई हैव मैनेज्ड समहाउ.
Yeah. You have, and you have managed very wonderfully, I must say. And I am so proud of you for putting in the effort. एक बात है कि इतने लैब्स हो रहे हैं, सब कुछ स्ट्रक्चर्ड है, बट फिर भी उस पे शो अप करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, एंड नॉट मेनी पीपल आर एबल टू डू इट, राइट? So the fact that you maintained that accountability for yourself and showed up daily for all the labs, that is why you deserve this result, isn't it? So it is your hard work, and you have to give yourself the credit for that कि हाँ, ये मैंने अपने बलबूते पे अपनी मेहनत से करा है और मैंने अचीव करा है, and you deserve every bit of it.
It won't be possible without you. Like really, like you guys share real life experience, what you have faced, and that means a lot. Like that means like every bit of things. Like ये यहाँ पे ये वाली MCQ में ये confusion आएगा और वो
Yeah,
ऐसे solve करना है.
yeah.
That real life things, no, like so many things.
Yeah.
It's
थैंक यू सो मच. आई थिंक दैट इज द जॉब ऑफ अ टीचर, राइट? कि अगर मैं अपनी मिस्टेक से किसी और को नहीं सिखा पाऊँ तो फिर क्या फायदा हुआ था? सो बेसिकली आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई ट्राई एंड डू, इज शेयर माय शेयर ऑफ मिस्टेक्स विथ यू गाइस सो दैट यू डोंट मेक द सेम एंड वी लर्न collectively. So I'm very very happy, and I'm sure your family is super proud of you. So all the very best for the journey ahead. क्या प्लान है अब आगे?
Ma'am, आगे in November, INA is going to happen, and I have good percentage in my MBBS. So
Amazing.
I'm planning कि I'll give this exam
Great. I'm
and
very
later
happy to
like
hear that. Yeah. Because अभी जो momentum बना है पढ़ाई का, don't leave it, right? You continue with it, and you'll clear this year exam itself. So just continue preparing, and hopefully we'll meet again soon, and we'll have our children meet as well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Like during my first BTR, I had this question about parenting. I
Yeah.
have told you like मैं
Yes.
freak out कर जाती हूँ, उस पे चिल्ला देती हूँ. Then you have counseled. नहीं 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 नहीं, ये नहीं करना है. When you are studying, study. When you are looking at him, look at him.
Yeah, I think that's so important because that happens with me daily, अभी मैं इंटरव्यू लेने आई उससे पहले Zara is not well today and she was having a complete emotional breakdown. To just switch that off and then focus on you right now, I have to do that, right? So that's one thing that every parent has to learn is how to multitask, and while you are multitasking, do one thing at a time. You can't mix everything at the same time. I think that's what I'm also learning and figuring it out. I think all of us do. So yeah, all the very best, and do well. Meet Hope to meet you soon.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.